welcome to my channel. So wala akong masyadong energy. So guys, how are you all doing? So this is just going to be fast. I'm Jel and welcome to Lovebag. I would like to show you a kind of bag today that really resembles a love bag. So as you know, a love bag, it's very unique to each person. And for me, I would like to show you a love bag. It's actually very timely because it's all about COVID. So COVID-19. So this is what I'm calling the love bag. COVID-19 home quarantine kit, guys. You guys. So this one, I just they placed it here. So yun, pagka PCR ka, pagka exposed ka, lalagay nila yan dyan. I don't know, maybe to make us happy, no? Yun, it made me smile. So yun, I'm just placing it here. Yan. So this is a paper bag from Department of Health. So join me guys as we check this out, what's inside. Ayun. So, here you have it. This is DOH Home Quarantine Program. Welcome home. So, I call it the kit. May nakalagay dito na this is for people who got exposed. So, it says here, welcome home. So, yun, they have given instructions on what you can do or what you should do first upon arriving home. And that is to send your location sa isang number, ganyan, these things. And then after that, they also have here Arabic translations netong home quarantine watch instruction sheet. So that is what's inside this bag. That's the home quarantine watch. Yun. So this is my name, and then nandito yung mga dates, kung ano yung mga specific dates, important dates na kailangan i-note. Yun. The next time that I need to be swabbed, and then the next day that I need to be swabbed, and also the last day na i-remove nila yung watch from me. Even before they give this bag to you, they will be putting the watch on you. So what's inside actually this bag is the box and brochure about home quarantine. So I wanted to share this to give an idea and also to appreciate the efforts of Department of Health when it comes to being accountable for the lives of the people here in UAE. To continue with this, ay wala yung mga laman niya. Oh my God. Kasi unboxing niya. Wala yung mga laman niya. Ito lang siya. This one is for direct charging. This is the power bank. Ah, here it is. Siniswerte na naman talaga kayo. Ayan. Sobrang gulo. Ayan. So, let's check it out. Energy. So, yun yung laman. This is the watch. So, naka-charge siya. So, it must always be charged ng 80%. So, yun. At first, akala ko kung anong dapat gawin dun. Wala palang kailangan gawin. Basta naka-charge lang siya fully. Nandyan lang siya. Ang purpose niya lang talaga is to track you. Nandyan lang siya. Naka-screw yan dito sa ilalim. So, inside this box, they have the power bank for this. Right there. It should click. Yeah. And it should, yan. So, actually, it's 80%. So when you remove this, you can charge it using this one. But you can also charge your watch directly. So, you just stick it there and then charge it directly sa extension. This is waterproof and you can use it while you're taking a bath. And you're supposed to wear it for 10 days. I just want to share this love bag. Yun, kasi sa panahon ngayon, we really need care and attention. Additional TLC for people. The efforts of the government is really nice. Yun. It's really appreciated how they take care and ensure that people will stay at home. These are free. Just really want to share it to you kasi it made me feel parang special or kung ano talaga yung feeling. Actually, yung smiley pa nga lang it made me feel special. So, this is the bag of the kit. Alam nyo naman tayo, mahilig talaga tayo sa paper bag. Ate, wala bang paper bag? Ate, wala bang paper bag? Ate, wala bang paper bag? Ate, kailangan ko ng paper bag. Mabigat po yung dala ko. Ate, meron po ba kayo extra plastic? So, yun, di ba yung mga ganun? It makes you feel special. Ilangan na to, kaya sobrang I really like it. It's a love bag from the Department of Health. So, thank you for joining me. I intended this to be quick. So, yun. Thank you guys for joining and see you. Hoping for the best. Let's pray for each other. God bless. Bye-bye!